Welcome to Rafflesia, where life is in full bloom and be surrounded by nature. Come home to breathtaking views, stunning hills, and enchanting romantic sunsets each and every day.
Rafflesia is located at the highest point in Petaling Jaya, 330 meters above the sea level. It is guarded 24 hours by security. You have peace of mind when you stay here.
Be captivated by Rafflesia Hill 2 and 3, the latest Rafflesia launch that is nestled right in between the turtleback contours of the hill as well as the 8 acres lake and park where hill and water meet. It makes for great feng shui in 2024 under Period 9.
There are total 4 phases at Rafflesia Hill. At the moment, Rafflesia Hill 1, 43 houses already totally handover. Now we are open Rafflesia 2 and 3, 24 houses each, open for sale. In Rafflesia, you can choose either houses that is facing the park or houses facing the forest. And all of these are 3-story semi-detached homes.
Rafflesia Hilltop 2 and 3 comes with Eco-Lux Living, rainwater harvest system, solar hot water heater, and also EV-enabled charger.
Welcome to this luxurious home.
And be mesmerized by the double ceiling living hall. And come with us as we unfold for you the jewel in the crown of Rafflesia 2 and 3.
Rafflesia Hill 2 and 3 are multi-generation home. Where I stand now is the guest room that can fit in a queen-size bed, and the door can have easy access for the wheelchair to go in. All the rooms are ensuite. Next to the guest room, we have one maid room. It is convenient for the maid to take care of your parents when it's needed.
The master opens up to a lovely, functional, exquisite room with a good living harmony with nature through the balcony that opens up to a lovely forest view, and the enchanting bathroom, which is contemporary and modern. Across from the master, a symbiotic second bedroom, and with a lovely enlarged balcony space. Unfolding before you, a lovely family hall space which has rooms to the left, to the right, with ensuite bathrooms exquisitely and stylishly designed. It also comes with a very enlarged balcony that has a lovely forest view before you.